And from Apple to GM, many American firms have warned that tariffs and retaliatory levies will cost tens of billions of dollars. Corporate America is bracing for significant damages from Trump's trade war, and that's before most affected goods have even landed. In this next report, we dive into the impact of Trump's multi-front trade wars, even as the US is looking to make trade deals now. Take a look.
US companies including Apple, General Motors and Nvidia have warned of a deep hit to earnings from Trump's tariff wars, with some already disclosing financial projections. Many companies have yet to provide guidance, but the preemptive warnings from those that have may vastly underestimate the overall hit to bottom lines. Some industries are likely to be impacted later in the year. Among US companies that have disclosed financial projections so far, GM sees a $5 billion hit this year. Apple expects $900 million in higher costs in the current quarter. Nvidia is taking a $5.5 billion charge to account for new export controls. Ford, AMD and P&G announced a hit of about $1.5 billion. Analysts say that despite those projections already running into billions, firms may have significantly understated the total impact on profits. There is a lack of direction from many businesses. Some are just waiting to see what happens. Some have hinted at the pain ahead by increasing their expenditure estimates, lowering their full-year predictions, or warning that price increases will reduce customer demand. Meta Platforms increased its capital expenditure forecast for the year by as much as $7 billion. The company attributed the adjustment in part to higher than expected equipment expenses sourced internationally. The word uncertainty has become a go-to descriptor for many executives during the quarterly financial result calls. The U word has cropped up more than 9,000 times so far in corporate calls this season. That is more than when it last peaked at the start of the COVID-19 pandemic and the highest mentions recorded in Bloomberg data. Dozens of companies, including Nvidia, Oracle, Home Depot and Walmart, have yet to report their latest earnings and answer analyst questions about the blow from tariffs. Some industries, such as online advertising, will likely be impacted later in the year. For now, investors and businesses globally will focus on the US-UK trade deal and China talks this weekend. Business Bureau, WION World is One.